Christmas.
Hey guys, what's going on? I am here at Burbank Airport. I'm in the regular lot. I took a special trip down here to return my parking card thing, and so I'm just waiting for the shuttle so I can go over there and drop that off and get a refund, because I think I put a deposit or something. And then I'm going to go to IKEA for a little bit and then grab some lunch to take to my daughter before she changes locations of where she's working. So that's my plans for today, and yeah, that's it. Bye. Welcome to gym hair, and the glamorous part of getting ready to go on a trip, and here it is. Laundry. I am in full laundry mode today. I have so much laundry, and I have a trip starting tomorrow I have to leave here at 11. So must do laundry. I think I have no clean socks. I have put it off just a little bit. I had 5 days off and I did nothing relating to laundry at all. So anyway, enough about that. Moving on. I also went to Trader Joe's and got a few things for my lunch bag. My super favorite little snacky item, the sweet and spicy pecans. And I wanted the little mandarins, but they didn't have any, so got these orange slices, which are equally as good. Delicious. And then my obsession. Usually if I have something a couple times, I don't want it again, and I don't put it in my lunch bag. But I'm super also obsessed with this buffalo chicken dip. If you have not had it, I don't know why I'm doing that because I can't read. And then I got this lemon basil pasta salad and some peanut butter and jelly, things to fill in just in case. Honestly, I've been doing a lot better since I've been in LA. And maybe it's because I have really good food in the lounge, about eating and not spending a bunch of money on food. So, oh, you know what else I got? This has nothing to do with work, but peppermint chocolate chip cookie mix. Can't wait to do that. We're getting our Christmas tree tonight. So I might make those to have as a little treat. Anyway, gotta go do laundry. Bye. Oh, hello. What are you doing? Ooh, look at the candy tree. What are you so happy about? There he is.
The guys are there.
The 10-minute selection. Look. He fits perfectly in the car. So we were able to get our tree, and now my husband is helping someone jump their car that died when they were getting their Christmas tree. Hey guys, good morning. It's about 8:30, oh no, 9:30, and I just finished stretching. I was gonna do a workout, but I was just not feeling it, so I decided just to do a stretching routine from Peloton, which actually ended up being one of the best stretching routines I've ever done, and I'm going to repeat it because it's really good. It's a Rebecca Kennedy 20-minute one if you're on Peloton. But anywho, I'm gonna go shower and get my stuff together and head to LA. I have to check in at 12:55. I have 4 legs today, and I'll update more on what those are because I don't know. I do know I end up in Orange County. So, all right, talk more. Oh no! Man down. Yeah. Oh shit. No. I barely made it, y'all. My hair is flat. I forgot my glasses and I had to go back to my car to get them. So I was booking it over here. 2 minutes to spare. Good morning, friends. I think it's good. I hate videoing like this because then I'm all like 18 chins. I'm super tired. I woke up at 7:30 because that's when I normally get up, like, at home. My body just won't let me sleep longer. I've never been a sleeper inner. Do you guys sleep in? Do you like to sleep in when you get the opportunity? Tell me in the comments if you like to sleep in. Like, even when I was a kid and I would do like sleepovers at people's houses, I couldn't sleep in. Everyone would be like passed out until noon and I'm like sitting there waiting for people to get up. More than once I would call my parents and be like, I'm just going home because this is stupid. I'm just sitting here waiting for my friends to wake up. So, I'm in Orange County and we got in not crazy late. I guess we got to our rooms by about 11. And it was supposed to be, we were about an hour delayed. I had some food and went to bed. And right now I need to get some coffee. And I think I'm gonna work out. I need to bid for January. I need to do my bid, and I don't know what I want to do. There's a place that my friend that I'm working with said is good for breakfast, so I could go over there. I could take my iPad and go do my bid and have breakfast. I was kind of thinking about going to a movie. I want to see the Lady Gaga House of Gucci movie. I call it the Lady Gaga movie. There's a lot of other really big stars in that movie, but I just don't know what I want to do. I was kind of thinking about like trying to do some Christmas shopping, but I don't really know if the mall shopping area is close. So anyway, I'm gonna go figure out what I'm gonna do and get back to you. So I will check in later. I like doing the extreme mouth close-up. Have you noticed? So it's been pretty overcast here in the South Bay area, and I guess they've been canceling flights because of that. So it's definitely looking a little thick down here this morning. So we'll see what happens. We're supposed to go 2 legs today to San Jose and then to Austin. So we end up in Austin tonight. So just, it's like an hour flight to San Jose, and then it's about 3-ish to Austin from San Jose. So it's not too bad, not too bad. We had about a 10-hour day yesterday, 4 legs. We went, ooh, almost dropped, yeah. We went to, let me think, where did we go? Oh, we went Tucson, Vegas, Oakland, and then here to Orange County. So, yeah. All right, I'm gonna go work out. Had my coffee. Y'all, I've been getting, when I get Starbucks, my coffee of choice right now, which is different because I usually don't get like sweetener, but that sugar cookie latte, so good. I get half the sweetener though, because I don't know how people do 4 pumps of that sugary stuff. But you know what? The girl in front of me, she added 2 pumps. It's like how on earth? Like, why don't you just like eat a bowl of sugar? It's so gross. I can't. It's too much. But anyway, to each his own, as they say. All right, I'm off to work out. Outdoor area, little like lawn games and like a little event area and stuff. Very nice pool. For future reference, I'll have to remember this. $4.30 for this soda. Ridiculous. You guys know me, I try not to complain about anything because why? I mean, what's the point? But y'all, a soda for $4.30, come on. It's ludicrous. And we don't get a discount. We get a discount in the restaurant, but the little market, we don't. Who knows? All right, I'm gonna show you what I got. I walked over, it was about an 8-minute walk over to this place called Crisp. They have like fancy coffees and breakfast items, sandwiches, and some salads. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So this salad I got for later. It's like Asian greens with a miso dressing. I thought I got chicken in there, but it appears that I did not. I guess I had to ask for that separately. I thought that just came with it. So apparently I'm doing no protein today. Whoopsie. And then I also got to eat right now this avocado toast. Has a hard-boiled egg and little cucumbers, some sprouts, and the avocados under there, and then it has like an Italian dressing on it. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look gorge? I'm so hungry. All right, I'm gonna eat now. Hey friends, hi. Just got to Austin and I wanted to show you this. So I got this little rosé. It's actually sparkling rosé, and it is $5. The same price as the soda that I bought in San Jose. Something's weird. I do not understand that at all. But anyway, I was expecting it to be like 12 bucks or something. So I had this full intention of videoing like stuff I'm doing on the airplane, you know, like when we're doing service and stuff. And I completely forgot. We had to remove a passenger because she was just being super belligerent and cussing out one of the flight attendants. Hot tip on how to not get thrown off an aircraft is don't cuss out the flight attendants and flip them off when they tell you to sit down. Just, you know, I mean, it might seem like an obscure tip, but I guess some people just don't know. Anyway. All right, guys, I'm gonna eat my DoubleTree cookie. If you've ever stayed at a DoubleTree, you know you get the, well, it's supposed to be warm. It's not quite warm, but it's soft cookie, and have my little beverage and go night-night. And I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I'll probably just work out. I have all day. So cute. This is Alexis. Everybody knows her. So we're in the Austin Airport. They have super cute decorations, and we all just had our photo op. So awesome. This is the 737 forward galley. One of the first things we do to set up the galley is to make sure the coffee pot has a fresh coffee filter or coffee pouch, and that way it is ready for the next pot we want to brew, or if we leave the aircraft for the next crew that comes in. And so it's all set up, and all you have to do is just hit brew. In this top cabinet to the right, we usually keep sodas and napkins. As you can see, I used a lot of soda on that flight. And then we have a little backup cabinet here that has more Coke, Diet Coke, 7-Up, and then some creamers as well for the coffee. In this drawer, we keep all of the water, cans of water. We have the Deja Blue. Sometimes we have Dasani, but more often we have the Deja Blue. In this cabinet, we have our juices. Right now, we only have orange and cranberry. And then in the next drawer up, we keep extra coffee. And then also we have some ginger ale and then some seltzer water in the back. And then the top shelf is for our coffee condiments. So creamers, sugars, sweeteners, etc. And then this top drawer, we have ice, 2 tubs of ice, and then we also have another drawer with 2 more tubs of ice. This little drawer has some paper towels, straws, wipies, and lids for kids or coffee. And then over to the right is where we store our tray for serving our drinks. We're the only airline that does tray service. And we have some extra lids and straws down below. This little shelf pops up, which is quite handy for putting my lunchbox on when I'm ready to have something to eat. At the end of service, when we're all ready to clean up, I usually take a cup of very hot water and pour it over the tray to get rid of all the sticky residue from the sodas and the juices, and just to kind of sterilize the tray. And then put it back, and it's ready to go for the next crew. I made it home, everyone. Look, I didn't even take my clip out of my hair last night. I was so tired when I got home that I just literally like changed and went to bed. I did nothing. my fancy clip is still in my hair from work yesterday. It was a long day, y'all. Oh my gosh, we started out delayed. I don't know, people were just weird. We had the first plane out of Austin. We did Austin to Orange County. Those people were great. After that, it was like no holds barred weirdness. But yeah, I'm home, and it is 12:25, and I am just now getting around to eating breakfast and trying to catch up on comments. And I love, like, see new people commenting, makes me so excited. So thanks for commenting. If you have a moment to post a comment on a video, it really helps my channel, and it just makes me smile a little bit. Just say hello, love watching, or whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna go eat. It's the breakfast of champions, an egg and waffles. Dude, I could eat waffles every day. I love waffles. So me and Leslie, nope. We are waffle buddies. I love waffles. So if you have any cool waffle ideas or recipes or places to get waffles in cities, let me know.